Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add an Instagram reel on Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my Shopify dashboard and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these sections. You're going to find the home section, orders. Right here, you're going to find products, customers, content, analytics, and marketing and discounts. Here under sales channels, you're going to find online store. And then here under apps, you're going to find all of your applications. And in the bottom, you're going to find settings. Go ahead and click on add apps. And then here, you're going to find some suggested applications. And in the bottom, you're going to find get more recommendations in the Shopify App Store. Right now, go ahead and click on App Store, and then we're going to be redirected here to this tab. Once here, just go to the top. Here you're going to find the search bar, give it a click, and then search for Instagram. Once you do that, go ahead and hit enter. And then here you're going to find Facebook and Instagram with the results. Give it a click, and then just click on install. So basically, guys, once you install this application, you're going to be able to link your Shopify store to your Meta account, which is your Facebook and Instagram account. So just click on install and then just wait a little bit. So right now, once the app is added, it's going to be here in your navigation. You can pin it if you want. And then here, if you click on get started, you're going to need to connect your Facebook account. And then just follow these steps. And then you're going to be able to link your Facebook and Instagram account to your Shopify store. If you want to embed a Instagram video to your store, just go to online store, themes, and then click on customize. And then just wait for this page to load. Once here, just add a section. And then once you do that, scroll down, click on custom liquid, and then just go here to liquid code and paste the liquid code right here. And then it's going to be embedded right here. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.